Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can find and replace elements like text or words, for example, in your Canva designs and presentations. So let us get started. Doing this is actually very simple, guys. It works basically the same way as on Google Docs or Microsoft Word. So what you want to do is head over to your example design or presentation on Canva, like in this case here, this one. So I would like to replace that word of the text box here, typo, just for the sake of this tutorial. What you need to do, guys, is click on File here in the top left and select Find and Replace Text, or use the shortcut Ctrl F. After that, you will see that window popping up in the top right corner. So here under Find, you may simply type in the word, the exact word, so the exact order of characters you would like to find. So be very accurate here, guys, and make sure that you pay attention to uppercase and the correct spelling and spaces and stuff like that. So it needs to be the exact order or sequence of characters like this. So as you can see, the given word has been correctly highlighted. So what you want to do after that is click into example with here below. Let me just delete that previous example and enter the word you would like to use as a replacement. So something like, I don't know, sequence, for instance. We had that as an example. And yeah, select either replace all if you have several items like that, or if it's only a single item, select replace, confirm, and that is going to replace the given word or element with the new replacement. And that's how it works in practice, guys. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.